Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up gRPC services with Node and protobuf, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, start by ensuring you have node.js installed on your machine. Next, create a new directory for your project and navigate into it. Run the command npm init to initialize a new node.js project. Now, install the required gRPC and protobuf libraries by running npm install gRPC at gRPC. Next, create a new file named hello.proto in your project directory. In hello.proto, define your service using protocol buffers syntax. For example, create a package, define a message, and set up a simple RPC method. After setting up the .proto file, you'll need to load it in your node.js application. Create a new file called server.js to implement the gRPC server. In server.js, require the necessary modules, gRPC and the protoloader. Load your .proto file using the protoloader, specifying the path to hello.proto. Then, create a gRPC server instance using new gRPC server. Define the function that implements your RPC method, handling requests and sending responses. Use server.addService to attach the service defined in your .proto file. Next, bind the server to a specific port using server.bind, providing your desired host and port. After binding, call server.start to launch the server. Now, create a client for your gRPC service by creating a new file called client.js. In client.js, require the gRPC module and the protoloader, just like in your server file. Load the same .proto file to define the client interface. Create a gRPC client instance using new proto.your service name, pointing to the server address. Next, call the RPC method you defined earlier, passing a request object. Handle the response with a callback, checking for errors and processing the result. Before testing, open a terminal and run node server.js to start your server. In a separate terminal, run node client.js to invoke the gRPC method and see the response. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the expected output in the client terminal. For further enhancements, consider adding error handling and more complex message structures. Explore additional gRPC features like streaming or authentication as you become more familiar. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.